Can you find a fraction between 2 upon 5 and 3 upon 5 within 5 seconds? No LCM, no calculations, just one simple trick. Step 1. Add the numerators. Step 2. Add the denominators. That's it. Let's see some examples. Let's try 2 upon 5 and 3 upon 5. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So our answer is 5 upon 10, that is 1 upon 2. It's a fraction exactly in between these two. Try one more. Find a fraction between 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 2. So 1 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 2, 5. Done. Now the question is why this works. This trick is called the mediant property. Which says if A upon B is less than C upon D, this implies A upon B is less than A plus C upon B plus D, which is less than C upon D. That means this A upon B is our first fraction. This C upon D is our second fraction. So when we add the numerators and the denominators, the new fraction lies between these two fractions. This is what we are doing. We are finding the fraction between these two. So this is because of the median property. But there is something interesting. This is not always the exact middle. That means the fraction which we are getting by the median property is not necessarily the middle one between these two. It's just a fraction that lies between these two fractions. That means ये जो new fraction आया है हमारे पास, ये इन दोनों fractions का center नहीं है. ये इन दोनों fractions के exactly center में lie नहीं करेगा. ये सिर्फ एक fraction है जो इन दोनों के बीच में lie करता है. वो जरूरी नहीं है सेंटर में हो, वो जस्ट एक फ्रैक्शन है जो इन दोनों के बीच में होगा. नाउ इट्स योर टर्न. फाइंड द फ्रैक्शन बिटवीन 3 upon 7 and 5 upon 9 and write your answers in the comments. Like, share and subscribe for more such tricks. Thank you.